So here I have the JBL Charge Essential. This is how the box looks like. Supposedly it has a duration time of 20 hours in between charges. Now I do doubt that you're going to get it out of this. 20 hours is quite a lot. It's going to be probably, a little bit over the half of it. In any case, you can also use this device as a power bank. So you can plug in your iPhone or your Android phone or whatnot, and then it charges if you wish to. And then I'm gonna open up the box for you. So now I've taken out the other part, and I forgot to mention that the thing is waterproof, not just water resistant, but waterproof. It's not, it's of course the other ones were resistant to splashes and whatnot when you're on the beach or nearby the swimming pool, but this one supposedly is completely waterproof. And that's something that I'm not going to really try because I don't see the use of that, submerging this thing in a bucket of water or in a swimming pool, whatever. In any case, here in here we have the power cord, as you can see, and then we got some manual, some declaration of conformity stuff, something that you're probably not going to read. Okay, and then here's how it what it looks like. The buttons, they pretty much speak for themselves. Turn the thing on. No noise. It's connected, and then you can turn it off with the same button, of course. And here you can select or deselect the Bluetooth option. And then here you have the volume controls. But the thing is, I use the volume controls on my phone. In any case, the thing puts out 20 watt, so it's 2 times 10, and the sound of it is just phenomenal. If you're inside, it's just really gonna fill the room. If you're outside, then probably you're gonna. It kind of depends on what you're doing, because if you have a lot of ambient noises or whatnot, you're gonna need a little bit more volume. You're gonna need I think a bigger one. And I think if you're mainly outside, and I think this one is not gonna really be loud enough. But it kind of depends on where you're outside. If you're around the pool, and if you're just working out every now and then it's okay. But if there's just a lot of people, like a party, well, then it's not going to be enough. If just a loud party and everybody's screaming, then it's not going to be enough, I reckon. But for most circumstances, it does the job. And it comes in you can order this one in a couple of different colors, of course. I choose the one which I found, pretty much basic. I don't like the disco colors or whatnot. I don't really like that, so I choose this one. And also, I would like to mention that you can connect this JBL device with a lot of other JBL devices. I think it's up to 100, but you have to keep in mind that this specific one, the Essential, uses Connect Plus. The newer ones, I think it's from the JBL Flip 5, are going to use Party Boost, and that's a newer option. You have to keep in mind that this one is pretty much a outgoing model. So the newer ones, as I've just mentioned, are going to use Party Boost, and they're not compatible with one another. So if you have a Flip 5, for instance, and you have a Flip 4, then you cannot use them simultaneously. And also you can download the app from JBL, and then you can use your phone as a controlling mode. That's something which I probably will do. So now I'm going to test this this device for you. It's indoors, as you can see, and I will test it with the low frequency mode as well as with the low frequency mode off, so you can see for yourself how you like it. Now I'm going to test the thing. I'm going to be turning the LF mode on and off. By the way, to put it either on or off, you have to press these buttons simultaneously. That's going to be the minus button and the Bluetooth button. So now it's off, and I'm going to let you hear it. Low frequency mode on.